In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudways with Cloudflare DNS and point your domain to your Cloudways server. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each stage. To kick things off, let's head over to the Cloudways website. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform, and if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll quickly see why it's a popular choice for many. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to find the login button. It should be right up there in the top corner. Click on it and this will take you to the login page. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up, but today we're going to assume you've already got your credentials ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything. From here, look out for the My Servers section. Click on My Servers and you'll see a list of all the servers you have set up with Cloudways. This next part is essential. Locate the specific server you want to point your domain to and click on it. Each server within Cloudways has its own dedicated page, and this is where the IP address lives that we need to connect with. You'll notice the public IP address prominently displayed on this server page. It's crucial because this unique address directs your domain traffic to your server. Click on the public IP, it will bring up an option to copy it. Go ahead and copy this IP address. Ensure that it's safely pasted somewhere you can easily retrieve it because we're going to need it in just a moment. Now, let's shift our focus to Cloudflare where we'll manage our DNS settings. Log into your Cloudflare account and locate the domain you want to point to your Cloudways server. Once you've selected your domain inside Cloudflare, find the DNS record section. Here you'll create a new A record. An A record is a fundamental aspect of DNS configurations. It links your domain name to an IP address. In the A record setup, you'll need to enter two key pieces of information: the name, which is typically your domain or a subdomain if that's what you're configuring, and the IP address, which you just copied from your Cloudways server. Paste that IP address in, save your changes, and you're all set. By completing these steps, your domain is now pointing to your Cloudways server via Cloudflare DNS. This setup leverages Cloudflare's capabilities for better security and performance while using Cloudways' powerful hosting infrastructure. Take a moment to test your domain, ensuring everything loads as it should, and remember, changes might take a little while to propagate across the internet, so a bit of patience is key. There you have it, simple, effective, and done in no time.